You understand, Mr. Jones, that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, knowing that you're waiving that right, you want to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'd like to pay attention to August 8th, 2020, around 2, strike that. 11:02 p.m.
Yes, ma'am.
Near Turnout and McGraw in the city of Detroit. Were you in possession of a facsimile firearm?
Yes.
Was it some type of air gun or?
It was a BB gun. It was a CO2 BB gun. It was my nephew's.
Okay, and you didn't have the orange cap on the end of it?
No, because when you buy it off Amazon, it don't come. You got some that come with orange caps, and you got some that doesn't come with orange caps.
Okay. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Jones, I am going to accept the guilty plea and change that from a 6-month delay sentence to a 1-month delay sentence, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And 1 month, if you pick up any other cases, it'll be dismissed from your record, okay?
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
And I'm also going to waive your fines and costs on this one.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
You too.
Officer Bennett, your person pled guilty.
Okay, yeah, I had two defendants down there. I think. Which one was that, ma'am?
Talia Clemens.
And I had an A. Johnson too, Your Honor.
Anthony Johnson.
Yeah.
Well, we have a couple people who haven't been identified who don't have audio.
Okay, Your Honor. I can stand back because I have Judge Blunt's courtroom too.
Okay, let me check in a couple people. Just called.
Yes, ma'am.
To the gentleman with his arm folded with the iPhone. Can you unmute your device and state your name?
Antoine Floyd.
Antoine Floyd. Good morning, Mr. Floyd.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Okay, we can call you now. Mr. Floyd, I'm going to call your matter right now, okay? Calling case 05-322-521, people versus Antoine Floyd, one count of operating while intoxicated, set for a trial today. Appearance?
William Glenn on behalf of Mr. Floyd.
Mr. Floyd, can you say your full name for the record?
Antoine Floyd.
It's set for a trial today, and I don't believe this officer has checked in. This is a 2005 case.
William Glenn on behalf of Mr. Floyd. Mr. Floyd, state your name.
Antoine Floyd.
We will move to dismiss since the issuing officer failed to appear.
If you're not being handled right now, if your case is not being handled, can you please put your device on mute? You're on the record. Officer Claude Fox has not called the court to check in, so I will dismiss without prejudice. So you're all set, Mr. Floyd.
You have
You have a good day. Thank you. So the gentleman with the Nike shirt on, K51 ID, what's your name, sir? What's your name?
Talking to me, ma'am?
The Nike shirt on, the Detroit Nike shirt?
Yes, ma'am. Edward Footlander, Your Honor.
Okay, Officer McCullum is here. Your officer has checked in.
Okay.
So you are in line to speak to an attorney, to talk to Attorney Glenn, okay?
Okay, dear. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Please, put my hair. to everyone here for the dog case, can you all go ahead and announce yourselves? I'm going to check you off and put you back in the breakout room until we are ready to get started. I see you, officer. Go ahead and state your name. Is there anyone here on the dog case for Corey Jackson? Dog Blue? Hello,
Yes, Your Honor. Terrence Coombs.
good morning, good to see you.
Good to see you, ma'am.
So Officer Coombs, I'm going to put you back into waiting room until we're ready. It's going to be about 10 o'clock.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Dion Combs?
Yes, Dion Coombs.
Yeah.
Hi, Tyler Coombs. Do it.
Okay, Miss Dion Combs.
Papa.
I'm putting you all back to the breakout room. I mean, to the waiting room, okay? Until it's
I don't know how
time
to do it.
She's
She's gonna do it, Mom. Oh, okay.
And transit court, can you identify yourself?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What's your name?
Officer Wires.
I didn't hear you. Officer,
Wires.
it's an echo.
Officer Wires.
Wires?
Wires, yes.
Okay, are you here for, or what case are you here for, I should say?
Yeah, April Ferguson.
April Ferguson. Is there April Ferguson on the call? No, she never checked in, so you're good to log off.
Awesome. Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day. Be safe.
You too, thank you.
Your Honor.
Aristo 5, can you please unmute your device and state your name?
All right, you talking to me?
What's your name, sir?
My name is David Jacobs II.
David Jacob. Oh, there we go. Mr. Jacobs, you are an hour and 5 minutes late. You have to unmute your device.
Yes, I'm sorry, my phone. I couldn't find my phone. When I found the phone, I had to download. Different phone.
Your
That's what I'm
officer
on.
checked in and I entered a default judgment. Because you didn't appear.
There's no way that I can like have this be done, like have the case be done over or something. There's no way that I can be seen or something like that.
You have to file a motion with the court to set aside a default judgment at this point. You can check, you can go online and submit that motion. And based off of the circumstances in your motion, it's not that complicated to do, but because your officer was here, it's been an hour. I've entered a default already and the officer's gone. If the officer was here, I would still hear the matter, but she checked out, she checked off already. Because I released her.
All right, so what? So but the issue was because it was I was in a car crash, car flipped. You know what I'm saying? I was about an hour in a ticket. I said I even got a ticket.
Mr. Jacobs, you were late for court, so I'm not about, I have plenty of other things I have to take care of on this docket. So if you were at 8:30, I could have addressed that issue and we could have went to have our hearing.
So what was the verdict for?
Go online and submit to have your default set aside if that's what you want to do. Otherwise, you can just pay the $170 and admit responsibility.
Okay. Oh, okay, all right. You said, okay,
Go
so I go.
online, 36th District Court, and submit a motion to set aside the default judgment, okay?
All right.
iPhone person with the phone to the ceiling, can you please state your name? What's your name, sir? You were on here earlier. What's your name?
Mr. Johnson, are you talking to me?
Yes, what's your first name?
Ossie, Ossie.
Mr. Johnson, your case was called an hour ago.
Yeah, I was there an hour ago, and I got this paper from the guy downstairs to call on a Zoom meeting, so I had to drive back to Romulus and start my video, but I couldn't hear anything.
Okay, so I'll have your reschedule since it wasn't because you just didn't call in.
Yeah, I was there.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to reschedule your case, okay?
Yeah, that's fine, Your Honor. I also wanted to just bring to your attention that I don't even have the police report.
Mr. Johnson, one thing at a time. Let me get you a court date.
Okay.
It'll be March 24th. though.
Hold on for just a second.
Did you hear me?
Just shut that off for 1 second. I'm sorry, Your Honor, what you say?
March 24th will be your court date, okay?
March 21st,
4th,
24th.
24th, yeah. Can you give me Oscar Johnson? Oscar Johnson? Ozzy. Okay. Officer Benny, your person hasn't checked in.
Okay, Yana, thank you. Have a good morning.
You as well.
Hey, Your Honor, this is Brandon Jackson. May I say something real quick?
No. Not yet.
If you would.
Ollie Johnson, what is your question now about? Just you said you don't have a police report?
Yes, I sent a FOIA request to Detroit Police Department. I received nothing, so I was just wondering if I could get any type of discovery before this upcoming date so I can be prepared.
What are you requesting?
Just all the discovery for this case. I have nothing.
So I will put in an order for discovery, but I need to know specifics, if there's anything specific that you need, but I'll put in a general discovery order.
I'm sorry?
I will put in a general discovery order, but do you have anything specific in mind that you wanted to request that may need to be specified?
Whatever, I know some of the officers during this incident was wearing body cams, so this was at the 9th precinct on Gratiot where I was trying to file a.
I just wanted to know if you had anything specific. If not, I'll put a general discovery request in, okay?
Yeah, and that's it. And I just had one more question.
Okay, Mr. Johnson, go ahead.
So the whole incident is on video, so I was just wondering how I can submit that to the court as well. I mean,
You have an attorney present, okay? So you gotta get the request for discovery first. Let's start there. Unless you
okay,
have an attorney, there will be one present to do that for you, okay?
okay, all right, thank you.
You're welcome. You have your date?
March 24th.
Okay. 8:30, okay?
Okay, is there an attorney I can contact prior so they can actually watch the video?
You can hire an attorney, or I can see if you're eligible for court appointed.
Yes, I requested an attorney at every Zoom meeting that I've showed to.
All right, Mr. Johnson, we got several people, so you're gonna have to wait, okay?
Okay, thank you.
It's gonna take a little bit longer. I need to get a couple people out of this courtroom, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Don't hang up, just down the call.
Appreciate you.
Your Honor, can I say something?
I don't even know who's talking.
This is Benita.
Benita Franklin.
Yes, Ms. Franklin.
I was wondering, was my case called because I didn't hear you call me back?
No. Nope.
Okay.
Your case is actually next, Ms. Franklin. Benita Franklin. Then Mr. Figueroa.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, calling case P109782, people versus Benita Franklin, one count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearance.
William Glenn on behalf of Ms. Franklin. Ma'am, state your name.
Benita Franklin.
Your Honor, my client is going to accept the offer of a 3-month delayed sentence for allowing an unlicensed driver. Is that correct, Ms. Franklin?
Yes.
Ms. Franklin, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have an opportunity, actually, this is set for a trial today. Attorney Glenn, Officer Wheeler has not checked in. Attorney Glenn, this is set for a trial and Officer Wheeler did not check in.
Okay. You want me to put my appearance on the record?
Could you?
Yes, William Glenn, House Counsel. Ma'am, state your name.
Benita Franklin.
Your Honor, the date scheduled for trial. The officer who wrote the ticket did not appear. Move to dismiss.
Okay, Officer Wheeler did not call the court to check in. It's 9:43. Ms. Franklin, your case has been dismissed, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
Okay, you too.
And the person checking is Amanda Mason English. What is your name, sir?
This is Darnell James. I'm on my sister's computer.
Wait, say your name again. Can you say your name again?
Darnell T. James. I was supposed to appear at 8:30.
What time did you check in, Mr. James?
Cause I went all the way down to 36th District and they gave me that and I had to catch the bus back to the house.
Your officer appeared as well, so we're gonna have to reschedule it. I'm not gonna get her warrant, but I can't hear the case today because your officer checked in an hour and a half ago, or an hour ago.
We'll make sure we put
Unless you wanna resolve it today. If you wanna go to trial, I'll reschedule it. If you wanna resolve it today, just hold on and you have a moment to speak to an attorney, okay?
Yes, that's what I was supposed to do today, I believe, to go to trial, cause it was if I paid a ticket or something, I have a felony. Here I am at 65 years old, needing felonies on my record.
Well, this is not a felony, sir. You don't have to worry about that.
Excuse me? That's what they told me the last time we met.
I'm telling you, it's not a felony, so it's not.
Okay.
But I will get you into a breakout room to speak to someone shortly, okay? To an attorney.
Okay.
Take care of Ismael and Figueroa.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Calling case P106305 versus Ismael Figueroa. Count 1, driving while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance. Count 3, no plate.
Your Honor, I can't hear right now. I'm sorry.
No, thank you for letting me know. Calling case P106305 the people versus Ismael Figueroa. Count 1, driving while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance. Count 3, no plate. Apparent.
William Glenn on behalf of Mr. Figueroa. Mr. Figueroa, please state your name.
Ismael Figueroa.
Your Honor, this is a plea to improper plates
Okay,
and
Mr.
dismissal
Figueroa,
of the other count. Is that correct, Mr. Figueroa?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand?
Yes, Your Honor.
The other right hand? Is that the right? There you go.
I apologize.
Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Glenn in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
You can put your hand down too. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you pleading guilty because you were actually guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
And knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to February 5th, 2020, around 10:59 a.m. in the area of Grand River and Greenfield in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2008 Saturn black vehicle without insurance.
Yes, Your Honor.
Satisfied?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I will amend the charge to improper place and dismiss the remaining counts to their stipulation of probable cause.
So stipulated.
Okay, Mr. Figueroa, the charge is going to be $240. How much time do you need to pay that?
Like just 1 week.
Okay. I'll put your review date all the way to the end of March, just in case.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
Okay, you too, Your Honor.
Thanks. Attorney Glenn, I'm going to put you in with, so there's no Jernigan file? There's no offer. So with Bria Jewell. Her offer is for improper place, Attorney Glenn, with the other two counts to be dismissed.
Okay.
You'll go ahead and unmute your device
Okay, I'm muted.
and hit join on your screen. And you will go into a breakout room with Attorney Glenn to speak about your case, okay?
Okay.